You're being a sod again. Right. We tell what we do with Zippy when he's not behaving himself. Do you know what we do with that parrot? We go. Hey, none of that. There we go. Does he do it when you take the hat off? Yes. He does it when I take my hat off or I'm paying too much attention to the dog. There we go. Right. How much damage is done to that ear? I don't know. I don't know if he's done any damage to it, like, yet. Yeah, he's just clipped the inside of it. He's just took the skin off the inside of it, that's all. Yeah. Yeah.